Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. Blub Staking is live, and at the end of this video we'll test this out. We'll stake some Blub, see how it works. We'll also take a look at the current state of Sui ecosystem tokens, AI agents, meme coins, DeFi protocols, and I'll share some of my thoughts about where we're at and where I think we could be headed. But before we start, please note nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. So we have to start here. Over the weekend, everything went crazy with the drop of the official Trump meme coin. This coin sucked the liquidity out of basically everything in the crypto market. As a result, everything including Sui dipped a little bit, currently sitting right now at 461. So in our past couple of videos we focused a lot on Sui AI tokens, and the question is that narrative still intact? In order to answer that, we need to zoom out and take a look at the broad market, and we're going to start on cookie.fun. This is a great analytics site for AI agents on Base and Solana, which is where most of the activity is happening at the moment in regards to the AI agent token narrative. And so if we take a look, you can see this is back up over 17 billion total market cap for AI agents. If you take a look at the mindshare, you can see AI XBT has reclaimed number 1, Farcoin number 2, Virtual is still in here. Farcoin is sitting at a 1.8 billion market cap, AI XBT 709 million. Virtuals is the top fair launch platform for AI agents in crypto at the moment. This is on the Base blockchain. And if we take a look at the chart for Virtuals protocol on Dex Screener, you can see this thing early January ran all the way up to 4.6 billion market cap. Again, this thing pulled back over the weekend like everything else, but looks to be climbing back up at 2.9 billion. So in my opinion, the narrative for AI agents within crypto is still strong. I think a lot of the liquidity was sucked out of AI agents in general with what we saw happen with the Trump meme coin. Feels like as I'm recording this a few days removed, that things are starting to calm down and return to normalcy. A new L1 like Sui with a very new but growing token ecosystem is going to be hit harder than Base and Solana. And so I think when we take a look at some of these tokens, it makes sense why they pulled back and why there's not a ton of volume in them yet. But in my opinion, it's still worth paying attention to, as the overall bull market, I believe, is still fully intact in my opinion. Again, not financial advice. This is just what I'm looking at. So let's take a look at Sui AI. We've talked about this one quite a bit. This is the top fair launch platform for agents on Sui. And you can see that this thing, just like everything else we looked at over the weekend, dipped, but seems to be recovering. The volume on this is pretty strong, among the strongest of all tokens within the Sui ecosystem. So I think things are continuing to move forward despite the pullback for Sui AI. Let's take a look at some of the agents. So this is Agent S, one of the more popular agents on Sui. Again, just like all others, this thing pulled back over the weekend all the way down to around 5-6 million market cap, since recovered a little bit to 13. Next agent we'll take a look at is IDA. Again, same thing with the chart, pullback and ran back up a little bit. Currently sitting at about a 2 million market cap. Similar volume to Agent S, approaching 4,000 followers. And again, this posts quite often, in my opinion, some of the best content for an AI agent related to specifically the Sui blockchain mainly. Next up is Sui DeFi AI. We talked about this one in the last video. Very similar looking chart. It pulled way back to 262K. Currently sitting just under a million market cap. I feel like the AI DeFi agent narrative is one to pay close attention to as things start to recover across the crypto market. So in regards to AI agents on Sui, there's a couple ways to look at it. Number one, you could say it was just a quick flash in the pan and it's over. Number two, you could say it ran up the past couple weeks after we saw a huge run up of AI agents on Base and Solana. The entire market on the weekend was hit pretty hard by the Trump coin in terms of liquidity being sucked out of everything. And now we're starting to see a recovery and return to the narrative. Those are two ways to look at it. I tend to side with the latter. I think that we are just getting started with the AI agent narrative. One of the advantages of focusing on tokens within a newer layer 1 like Sui is that there's much less noise when compared to other chains like Solana and Base. It's easier to identify quality projects, take your time and look for good entries. So next, let's take a look at meme coins on Sui. You can say the same thing has happened. These have been hit even harder, not just by the Trump coin, but really over the last month and a half. Not a ton of volume in the big projects. Here's a chart for Blub. You can see at one point back in November, this thing was all the way up around an 80 million market cap, currently sitting at 12. They just launched a staking feature, which we're going to test out in a minute, so we'll come back to Blub. Same thing with Lo-Fi, another very popular meme coin project on Sui that has been down, currently sitting around 70 million, went all the way up to 217 million back in December. Another one with a really strong community, a great project in my opinion. Not financial advice, this is just one that I like. Axel, similar thing, kind of been on a downtrend as well. Here's another one, Tardy, similar looking chart, good project, strong community, but just been getting beaten up for a while now. And one more, FUD, one of the OG meme coins on Sui. At its height, this thing was around a 50 million market cap, currently sitting at 10. And so I point this out to say that meme coins on Sui have definitely been down If you still believe in the narrative that volume will rotate into Sui, again from catalysts like Backpack and Phantom Wallet integrations, and that will be in a bull market at least for the first quarter or two of 2025, then it might not be a bad time to look at projects you like and see if you can find good entries. Again, take your time, do your research, but I think it's worth keeping an eye on meme coins as well. One more thing I want to point out, we're on IntiDex. This is a top analytics tool for Sui ecosystem tokens. I highly recommend checking it out. And we're on protocols here. So if you're looking for a safer play, right, there's nothing safe in crypto, but if you're looking for something less risky, I guess, than meme coins and AI agents within the Sui network, then I would look to the protocols. Some of these have done really well, specifically Deep Book token. If we look at this thing from the start of January alone, it's ran from around 315 million all the way up to over 800 million market cap. And this is really the liquidity layer of the Sui blockchain. So this is a nice utility play, one I would look at. And CETUS is another one that I really like. This is the top DEX within the Sui ecosystem. This thing has pulled back a little bit to 233 million. And so if you're looking for something with a little bit more substance behind it, right, than meme coins or AI agents, and plays like CETUS and Deep and some of the other utility tokens are something that I recommend looking at. All right, so back to Blub. Let's take a look at how many holders Blub has. Let's copy the contract address right here. And then if we go to Sui Vision, paste it in the search, it'll take you to Blub. See, this is sitting at 73,691 holders. It's almost 7 months old. We take a look at their X profile, over 27,000 followers. And here was the post a couple hours ago announcing that staking is live. Discover Blub's virtuous growth cycle. Our dedicated team uses the treasury to buy and burn Blub, increasing value for holders. Stake your Blub and earn DeFi rewards. The sustainable loop benefits our entire community. Join us now. Here's the link to the staking site. And if we scroll down, you can see it's pretty bullish reaction from their community, which is a good sign. Let's go to the Blub website. And if you scroll down, you can read through this if you're not familiar with this project and learn more about it here. See, here's a list of some of their partners. They are on some centralized exchanges, Mexi being one of them, in addition to obviously all the DEXs. Take a look at the tokenomics here. And then you can also get to staking right here. So let's click on staking. So here's the staking site. And so before we connect our Sui wallet, let's jump into their Telegram and learn more about what this new staking feature is and how it could benefit holders and why you should stake. This sustainable loop benefits our entire community. If we scroll through here, you're seeing a number of people saying they already have staked their Blub. This person's asking any info about APY or locking period. So it says there is no locking period. You can unstake it sounds like right away. So are there regular burns? Yes. How are rewards generated? It says from the treasury. So if you're a holder of Blub and are interested in staking, I highly recommend first jumping into their Telegram, learning more about it. All right, so let's go ahead and test this out. Here we are on the staking site. Looks like they have a leaderboard coming soon. Here's the total global staked of all the Blub. And so I'm gonna go ahead and connect my wallet that has some Blub in it. I'm gonna click connect wallet and Sui wallet, and I'm gonna connect. And you can see my balance right here. It looks like you can deposit any amount that you like. In this case, I'll just deposit all of it. All right. So we're going to deposit the full amount in my wallet, and we're going to click stake. Sui wallet's going to open up, and I'm going to approve the transaction. And just like that, you can see here's my amount staked, and it looks like I'm already earning rewards. If you look right here, it says 40, 54. So that number is going up pretty quick. It's already at 72. This is just all in the last like 10 seconds or so. So it's been about a minute and a half, and I already have 302, 324 that I could go ahead and claim. And if I wanted to, I could restake that. All right, so I want to do a quick update. It's been about 24 hours since I've staked, and you can see I now have this number of Blub. It looks like I'm actually starting to get a little bit of Deep as well, which is interesting. The Deep token we talked about earlier in the video. So this is definitely an interesting feature. If you hold Blub, I recommend looking into it, but please do your research before deciding to stake or not. But it's nice to see a meme coin project like Blub implementing new things like staking, and I think this could be a benefit for the project and project holders going forward. So I'm personally still very bullish on Sui and the tokens within it, the utility tokens, the meme coins, and the AI agents. I think we're in a period right now before upcoming catalysts like Phantom Wallet integration and Backpack Wallet integration happen to take your time and find projects that you like and see if you can get a good entry. If your thesis is like mine, that we'll see an increase in volume at some point this year. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.